There's plenty to see, there's plenty to do in Miss Caroline's cupboard.
Hello girls and welcome to your math lesson. Today's focus is going to be continuing with our theme of angles of polygons. So, yesterday's lesson you had to fill in the grid. Did you notice anything, any patterns about the numbers? The relationship between the numbers of sides and the numbers of triangles. Possibly you might have noticed that the number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides. So if it's 4-sided shape, there's 2 triangles. If it's a 5-sided shape, there's 3 triangles. If it's a 6-sided shape, there's 4 triangles, which is something really cool to keep in mind to stop you having to do exactly as I'm doing here and drawing all the triangles on every time. But let's have a little refresh. So here we have all of our triangles which we're drawing into our polygons. And then the sum, which we did yesterday, which was 180 times 3, or multiplication. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles on a 6-sided shape. So 180 times 4. So you know the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides, which means we'd have 5 triangles. So it would be 180 times 5. So we can figure it out without having to draw all of our triangles in every time. All you do, count the sides of the shape, minus 2. All right, so let's see if we can use our knowledge to answer this question. Here I have what shape is this? Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. So if it's a 5-sided shape, how many triangles could we fit in? Remember? Minus 2. So 5 minus 2. So we could fit 3 triangles inside. Now we can answer the question, what is the sum of the internal angles? So we know that there are how many triangles inside? 3 triangles. So what are we going to do? We're going to do, you got it, 180 times 3. So let's look at the answer options. We've got 180 degrees, 360 degrees, 540 degrees, or 340 degrees. We have to decide which one it is. Okay, let's do some working out here. I'm going to get my ruler just to make sure that I have the right amount of triangles. So I said 3, didn't I? Because it's a 5-sided shape. 5 minus 2 is 3. So I think there's 3 triangles. Let's just check. There we go. Can you see 3 triangles? 1, 2, 3 triangles. So we know it's going to be 180 times by 3. So I could do this 2 ways. I could either do the multiplication or I could do addition. So I could do 180 times 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2, 540. Or I could add up 180 plus 180 plus 180, whichever one you're more comfortable with, working alone. So 0, 0, 0 is 0, 8, 16, 24, and 1, 1, 1 is 3 plus 2, 540. So 540 is our answer. That was easy, wasn't it? That was how we can find the sum of our internal angles. So we could do that quickly by just counting the sides. 5 sides means 3 triangles. 3 times 180 is 540. Okay, let's try another one, shall we? Let's go back to my pink colour. I like this purple colour. I'm in a purpley mood today. Okay, I'm going to pick this shape. Ooh, what shape have I picked? Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape. A 6-sided shape. Now, what's that quick thing I could do? Take away 2, which means I can fit how many triangles? 4 triangles. So keep that in your mind. Let's look at the answers. Is it going to be A, 360 degrees, B, 540 degrees, C, 180 degrees, or D, 720 degrees? Okay then. So, what's the first thing that we should do here? Let's get our green. Green means what? What are we going to do? Get my ruler back out and check these triangles. I said how many? 4. So let's see. I've got one there. I could make another one here. That's 2 so far. Got to make a third there. 3 triangles, and there's my 4th triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We were right. On a 6-sided shape, there are 4 triangles. So it's going to be 180 times 4. So I could do 180 multiplied by 4. 0 times 4 is 0. Oh, not 4. 0. Get that right. 8 times 4 is... Are you saying it? 32. So put the 2, carry the 3. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 720. Or we could say 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8, 16, 24, 32. And 1, 1, 1, 1. Plus the 3 is 7. So 720 is our answer. So you can use whichever way, whichever operation is easier for you, whether it's multiplication or addition, whichever way method that you're comfortable doing. Okay, well done. So we knew that a 6-sided shape has 4 triangles inside. So now let's have a look at the work that you are going to do independently. So here, your game. You are going to have the shape in the middle, and at the bottom, 4 answers, just like we did together. You have to decide which one it is. You just click on whichever one you think it is. It could be a triangle, it could be quadrilaterals, any kind of polygons we looked at. Keep in mind what we know about these different shapes. Okay, so have a look at that. How many triangles can we split that into? Okay, keep it in your mind. So, you have also a scratch pad there, and you can do your working out on the scratch pad. Then you can close the scratch pad and answer the questions. Nice and easy. So at the end, you're going to tell me your answer, your test results on Dojo, and I will give you feedback. If you have any questions, please ask on Dojo. If not, girls, good luck, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.